All right, Dr. Kevin, we have a serious issue. After I put in this this down pipe thing, I have this orange square on my dash, and I think my car has like the flu or something, and we need to fix it.
I think we're doing more than just fixing it today, then, right?
It's the equivalent to what do the kids call it nowadays? Juicing up.
Your car has steroids. It's not natty.
We're doing steroids today, guys. That's what we're doing today.
The car's not going to be natty anymore.
No, natty. Sorry. Lift bros? Gym bros?
Brian Amani's going to be disappointed in you, man.
Sorry, Brian. Being that Kevin is the tune doctor, he's going to be the one doing the surgery.
I've never been in one of these before. How do you drive one of these?
I don't know. I'm also surprised we got no cars on this. Dear God. Holy shit. That's not meth in the back.
Okay, it's only partially torquey.
Only a wee. It doesn't have as many turbos as the Doc's car, though. 2 less cylinders, 1 less turbo. Dear God. Oh gosh. We've already broken things. Things are already broken. What is happening? Well,
no pain, no gain. Those with cars as well.
No pain, no gain.
Now that we've smelt up the whole parking garage, we can continue.
We may proceed with the procedure. Will you?
What? You still have to buy it, bro. You
I know. I'm slacking. But it's okay. I wanted to make sure we were here while we did it, you know? Thank you for your purchase. For the MHD Super License.
Oh my God, dude.
Dear God. This tuning process has gone so south so fast. So, apparently, MHD doesn't have a fucking desktop adaptation, and it's literally only the app version. So obviously,
I'm downloading an Android emulator.
We're pulling up some serious hacker shit to try and get this done, because
now we have to create an Android.
He's literally
account
making a Google account just to get in to download MHD. This is a recipe for making the fastest car ever. This is gonna work. It's just gonna take a lot longer than we anticipated. Please, nobody ever tuned their BMW like this, but
this is an emulator that we downloaded because we're desperate boys. Oh no, not again.
Shut up, Crow.
Can I say no?
What if it does that during the tune? What if it pops up a TikTok ad during the fucking tune? It was popping up TikTok ads before this. Bro, TikTok's taking over. Everybody who has that shit on their phone, delete that. It's trash.
This damn emulator downloaded like random games onto my laptop, forced me to download an antivirus software, and then like gave me a disclosure saying they could take my phone number or something.
Moral of the story, this is gonna work. It's gonna be 10 out of 10.
I guarantee this is terrible. Okay, so it took a long time.
It took, literally, we've been sitting for 30 minutes trying to figure this out.
But we got it now.
We're literally on the page. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flash it. We're gonna flash this motherfudger, and we're gonna sit here for another 30 minutes, and we're just gonna hang out.
We can customize it. Look.
Oh, actually, yeah. Go to options. Turn off the cold start.
So some of our options are: so we have the downpipes.
Mm-hmm.
No speed limiter. Reduce cold start. Okay, good.
There we go.
Always open in sport mode, so you can be loud. Startup roar?
No.
Come on.
No.
All right, well, let's get going.
All right, cool. Let's do it.
Here we go.
It's tuning time, baby.
Wait. Activate anti-lag.
We'll do that later. That's another video.
No.
No, turn that off.
Max boost.
Oh my gosh.
Elon Musk number.
Oh my gosh. That was so stressful. That was so unnecessarily stressful, bro. Holy shit.
It was fun.
That was very fun. That was probably the most adrenaline I've ever had. Go ahead and start it. Yes! No more cold start. We did it! Bro, I'm stage 2.
Holy shit.
We're stage 2, bro. And no check engine light.
Yeah.
That was...
It did everything.
Oh my gosh! Let's go!
On the Android laptop.
I know, we worked. It fucking worked, bro. Holy shit. The amount of stress on my shoulders while we're sitting here tuning this car was unbelievable. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. All right, we're leaving the parking lot right now, and we're gonna go test drive, and I'm gonna let the car adjust to itself a little bit, and then we're gonna give her some juice. We're gonna give her some beans, and we're gonna see how she feels. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. We're gonna show you guys what stage 2 is like. We're out pretty early, so there's not many people on the road, so let's go ahead and hit this bad boy real quick. She goes not too bad, honestly. I kind of wish, here, let's get some lighting. I kind of wish it was a little bit faster still, and I'm planning to go E85 at some point, probably like an E50 mix if I can, but that requires like an upgraded fuel pump. So far, probably just gonna go E30, then we're gonna get the upgraded fuel pump, probably go to like an E50 mix, and I have a buddy who's got some really, really good success with a custom tune. So we'll see. We'll play around with MHD for a little bit, and then we'll maybe reach out to some tuners, kind of see what I'm feeling. And yeah, we want to make this thing even faster because I'm just not satisfied. I don't know. I want it to be even quicker than it already is. We're gonna try and do launch control. Woo! She goes, boys. And there we go.
Boy, I ain't going back and forth with you. You see one part, I see the whole picture.